Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now let's talk about how to install IPA files on your phone using your Scarlet. Again, this is going to be no computer needed. So step 1, ensure your device compatibility. Make sure your iPhone is running iOS 14 or later by going to software update and settings. Right now the latest version I think would be 18.5. Now this process does not require jailbreaking as well. So open Safari browser. Again, that would be Safari browsers because other browsers may not work for this. Download Scarlet by this website. Just choose an official website, alright? So I'm gonna teach you a method here that I know of on how to check legit website. So I always go to NordVPN link checker. So I only just paste the link here and basically Nord tells me if it's safe or not. You can also paste some files here for file checker, as you can see right there, but for link checker, just give the link and Nord will tell you if it's safe. Again, remain vigilant while browsing, alright? Going back here, trust the developer profile. So after Scarlet is installed, go to settings, general and VPN and device management. Just basically trust Scarlet and tap OK. So confirm trust prompt and open the Scarlet application. So once you open this one, if you encounter any issue, try restarting your phone or restarting Scarlet. Import IPA file to Scarlet to download the desired IPA file using Safari or File Manager. Again, guys, grain of salt guide for you. Always check your links if they're legit. Okay. So create the open Scarlet, tap plus icon, import, and basically install the IPA file. That will begin installing to your home screen. Take note about that one. Next up, for your trust the new app, go back to settings, general, VPN, device management, and find that specific application you have downloaded via Scarlet. And lastly, of course, launch the application. So all we did here is we just downloaded anything and applications using Scarlet. A word of advice, use the NordVPN checker I gave you to avoid malicious websites. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.